Welcome to another Rolled in Reacts episode. The owner of this truck complained about the front end being a little shaky. Wonder why. And this customer came in saying that their air vents needed fixing or they have to apply for a flying permit. And this customer somehow managed to drive into the shop like this, stating wheel bearing noise and wobble going over bumps. The mechanic said that he had just lifted the car up when the wheel fell off on its own. And these Infinities are pretty nice, you know? They have push start, fancy sound system, navigation, but the best thing of it all, chicken wing cubby. Customer states, rear end is all over the place when driving faster than 40 miles an hour. And this trailer came in because it had apparently laid down on its side, but just needed a little touching up, said the owner. Customer states, my engine sounds like a jackhammer. And this customer came in because they said that their Buick sounds louder than usual. This customer complains about their car shaking a lot over 40 miles an hour. This customer drove into the shop and said that they had issues with clunking sounds coming from the engine bay after recently having had their radiator replaced at a quick fix repair shop. And sadly, for this customer, they will need more than a Brita filter to make this right. And this mechanic was just doing a regular tire pressure check on this wheel after a seasonal swap. This customer came in with the wrong filter installed, so it had just fallen off. They had somehow managed to drive their car like this for the past 3 days before coming into the shop. This customer's Volvo was eager to be fixed. Apparently the securing strap on the tow truck had snapped, just as it was tilted to drop off the car.
Right here.
Customer states, grinding noise coming from underneath my car. And this car came in for an oil change, but the mechanic found that it missed the oil cap and was 3.5 quarts low on engine oil. And this customer came in because they had just purchased this car the night before and forgot to bring a flashlight. The previous owner had stated mint condition and the customer ended up paying over $9,000 for this. Customer states, drove through a little bit of water, engine now runs rough.
"2,000 years later."
This customer accidentally added power steering fluid to their brake system after they had just installed new rotors and pads by themselves. The brakes locked on the highway and ended up catching on fire. And this F-150 came in with some new owner installed rigid lights and oh yeah, just put that anywhere, man.
One more time.
Now this customer had a pretty weird problem. She came in because she said that her car was not starting the way that it should.
Go in,
Because it won't close.
and we lock. You can't tell me you ever seen that before.
This customer states, my car feels a bit wobbly when turning.
And then the bushes. Okay, and then the other side.
Well, we'll start off here.
Right here. Well, the link.
That's one.
The ball joint. And then the bushes.
Customer states, my window switch keeps screaming at me no matter how lightly I touch it. Customer came in because they had replaced the transmission filter and pan gasket on his own and wanted the mechanic to see if it was done right. And this car came in for a large evap leak and a new taillight because of a crack. The mechanic noticed that the hole went right through to the other side and was about to do a smoke test, but then checked the gas cap housing and discovered the main culprit.
Housing. There is the bullet slug.
And this shop just received a certified GM parts transmission, spray painted dirt included. And this customer said that their engine sounds like a kazoo when accelerating. The mechanic said that this was due to the wastegate being stuck open. This owner came in to get some work done because he had troubles getting his truck sold. I mean, at least he had the parts to fix it. The owner of this Camry came in because they apparently had a cockroach stuck in their taillight for over 10 years, but now needs it removed because the car is being sold. And this customer states, I think water is coming through my windshield.
Yeah, I would say so.
And this customer came in because of a fuel leak. Yeah, that looks about right. This car came in because the customer stated it sounded like a turkey after having had the fuel injectors replaced by another shop. This customer came in with her BMW because her ex-husband had done some work on it. Apparently, he had somehow managed to fill the radiator with engine oil. The customer declined all repairs and said that she had to call her ex-husband first. This customer came in with a pretty decent fuel leak. Customer states, went to a cheap repair shop to get a remote start installed, but now my car acts weird. These three customers came in 10 minutes apart with the same thing having pierced their front right tires. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and until next time.